Everyone, welcome to Tapswap today's video. Alright, I'm going to be explaining a lot of things here. As you can see on the screen, you see that the Tapswap interface has really changes, and they now added the gem portion, the profit per hour, and the cinema here, which means that you have to watch videos to be able to earn gems and some other things. Alright, let's start from the tax tab, where we begin to enter the codes for this. Actually, what is dosing hack requires no code, so I'll just click on check and you can see that is finished. So and I will claim my rewards. Okay, so now head back and you can see I have 1 rewards already, and that's why you have to subscribe to this channel to get the daily answer for this video every day. All right, the next one is crypto news, turn allow you, and this require no code as well. So I'll just click on check and finish mission, then I'll also click on claim, and I also have 1 cinema reward, which makes this 2. Okay, now the next one is make money playing game. Okay, so the answer to that is Monopoly, so I'm going to type that and click on submit. As you can see, that is correct. I'll click on finish mission, and I'll also have my rewards, which makes the cinema reward 3 already. Okay, the next one here is $50 per survey. I'll click on this, then this, the answer to this $50 per survey is dumping, and I'll type that and I'll click on submit, finish mission, then I'll click on claim. Then by the time I head back, you can see I'm having 4 already. The role of market cap in crypto, there is no code actually, so just click on check and click on finish mission. Then you also gain 1 stream token. So also for 7 best cash app, the answer to that is this on screen. Okay, so just click on submit and click on finish mission, then claim your rewards. Okay, now you head back to crypto news. This does not have any code as well, so just click on check and finish mission, then claim your rewards. We head back. Okay, so once we finish claiming all this reward, we head back to the town. We are in TappyTown, where we begin to actually unlock some houses here, and I'll tell you how to go about this so that you don't lose your coin. All right, so let's head back to tax and make sure we have completed all of this. $300 from Binance, so I'm going to put in this code inside that, and which is Jagger, and I'll click on submit. Let me just make this lowercase. Okay, and I'll click on finish, then I'll claim that as well. Okay, so let's proceed with this. Boosting Ethereum speed, and just click on check and click on finish mission. That's just all on that. Okay, let's claim this also. All right, now avoid this to become rich. The code to that actually is lib peer-to-peer, this code here. So click on submit. Okay, I have to wait a few seconds before I post this. And 15 powerful secrets to get rich. I'll click on start, watch video, then I'll just come back and post this code. This, I'll just click on check for this and finish mission. I'll head back. All right, 10 best budgeting app. I'll click on start mission, and I'll just back this off too. The idea here is that the more of this you're able to accumulate, you spend some of them here. So the best house here to start with among all of these houses is actually this TappyTown, this one here, and you can see it says you buy this with 500 shares and you receive 20 gems. So I'll click on buy. So once you click on buy, you can speed up the process actually if you are not a fan of waiting. Okay, but if you can wait, this will only take few seconds, and you can see you have that already. The building price requires 1 of these, and remember how many we have claimed watching video. So I can click on upgrade. Okay, and this will take 28 seconds to actually complete. But if you don't want to actually wait, you can spend 1 of your gem coin from which you have received to speed up the process. So but I won't advise you waste your coin boosting something that you can wait for, because the time frame is actually not long, and this building is actually in level 2. Okay, so I will just wait for this to load up. Okay, so you can see this is in level 2 already, and you can decide to upgrade to the next level, which should take 1 minute 41 seconds. So you can actually close that and come back later to that. So here we can head back to this place, and let me try and post this time around, peer to peer. Okay, I'll give you more time then. Now let's head to this other one, 15 powerful secrets to get rich. The answer to this one is long. So if I click on submit, I have to wait enough time. So let's spend that time building our town rather. So as you can see, this is loading. Time is loading, so I can just minimize and do some other thing. Now when you head to the swap option, you can swap USDT turn to USDT, or when you switch, you can swap USDT to turn, and you can actually change the crypto coin here. You can change to whichever one you want here. But if you go through this list, you see that you don't have Tapcoin or their airdrop here yet. That's because it has not yet been listed and it is not yet available. But make sure that you've connected your wallet to be able to do this swap. And when you go to the account section, it will tell you or show you the level of all your referred users. Okay, and on the end tab here, you can tap to earn or increase your coin balance. So you can see from here, our profit per hour is 150 per hour, and we have 20 gems already, and we are still left with 8 stream coin or stream token. Okay, now let's head back to town, and our upgrade should be complete by now. So this is already in level 3. So if you want to upgrade more, you can go on and upgrade this. So after taking this to level 4, we are going to try to get other town like this. You can see this will cost us 2005 shares to actually build this, and it require karaoke level 2 before you can buy this. Okay, so okay, sorry, I need to click that again. This particular one is called Telegram doc, so, and it actually requires karaoke level 2 before we can do that. Okay, so we have to locate karaoke level 2, which is this is karaoke. So this actually requires that Tapflix is in level 5. Okay, this is Tapflix and is in level 4. So we need to take this to level 5 before we can actually unlock this karaoke. Then karaoke, this doc is dependent on karaoke as well. So that's just how it goes. So for you to be able to claim them without having to waste your money, you just have to make sure that you have performed enough tax here. This will give you this stream token, which you can use to buy houses there. Okay, so for the last time, I want to try this again, else I'll just put the code on screen so that you can actually do that. Okay, let me make it small case. Okay, so I'll click on finish, then I'll claim my rewards. Okay, then I'll head back here. For this also, the answer is long. Click on submit. Okay, this requires some time. Still anonymous in crypto. This has no code, but still have to wait some time, and for this as well. So now let's head back to town and boost this town more. Okay, we have 2 minutes to wait for this. Okay, okay, now let's click on stay anonymous in crypto and click on check. So we click on finish, then we have 1 stream card here, Bitcoin to UE citizenship. So if you need to find the code to all of this, you can check the link to the website in the video description for the link to all of this. Okay, okay, then best budgeting apps. Okay, the answer to that is Node. change it to lowercase. Okay, so we have that already. And Bitcoin, this does not have any code. Just click on check, finish mission, and have your rewards. And 5 free apps that pay you to work. The answer to that is capital. Okay, so we just have to wait for a few minutes to this. So just like I've said earlier, just check the link to the website in the video description. You find the answer to all of this so that you don't waste your time watching videos to be able to actually build your TappyTown. So by the time you head back to TappyTown, okay, TappyTown revenue, you can see I have 6 of these gems as reward. So and I'm on my way to upgrading this to level 5. So once this is upgraded to level 5, you'll be able to actually get this particular one. You can see it requires Tapflix to level 5, and Tapflix is the one we are currently upgrading. So you'll be able to get this karaoke, then you can come back for this one also after you've upgraded doc, okay, and all of them just like that. So that's just how we go on doing them one after the other. So if you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed, so that you can always get daily updates on your airdrop. Alright, if you find this very helpful, please like this video and share with your friends, and do have a wonderful time.